In this guide, I'll show you how to increase the volume on your Samsung phone and make sure you're getting the loudest sound possible. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Sounds and Vibration. Tap on it, then select Volume. From here, you can adjust the volume levels for your ringtone, media, notifications, and system sounds. Next, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. This will give you access to Media Volume Limit. If you want the highest possible volume when using headphones or Bluetooth audio devices, consider turning this option off. Go back to the previous menu and scroll down to Sound Quality and Effects. These settings can affect how audio sounds on your device. Since audio preferences vary from person to person, feel free to use the settings that sound best to you. For quicker access to volume controls, return to the home screen and press either the volume up or volume down button. Then tap the three dots that appear above the volume slider. This allows you to adjust all individual volume categories without going back into settings. That's it. By following these steps, you can maximize your Samsung phone's volume and customize the audio experience to suit your preferences.